With a slight tailwind on their backs, the field of the 30th edition of the Athens Classic Marathon set off to tackle the course of the race created for the inaugural modern Olympics in 1896. Raymond Bett took the initiative on the decline to the final 10 kilometres to the finish, the Kenyan surging past his final rival with about 4 kilometres left. Bett took the tape inside the Panathinaikos Stadium almost a minute ahead of his fellow Kenyans Paul Koski and Alex Kiru. It was a new course record time of 2 hours 11 minutes and 35 seconds, smashing the old target set by Stefano Baldini by 5 seconds. The women's race was won by another Kenyan, Consolata Chemtai Yadar, victorious in a time of 2 hours and 40 minutes on her debut at the distance. Svitlana Stanko of Ukraine was second, with Viola Chilangat Kemeto third.